I rented a trencher from United Rentals, pretty decent. I got it for the whole entire weekend for about 350 bucks. Not a bad machine. It's doing pretty good. I finally got my electronics for my solar equipment installed in the barn instead of outdoors, which it'll be a lot better for that. But that posed a problem. I had to do a nice long run from the solar arrays. I got two of them, a total of 12 panels, 2400 watts. And I had to run a trench all the way to the barn. It comes into the barn in this LB junction right here, and I'll show you the solar system when I come through. Also installed a pass-through for the hose so I can get water to the RV. And also for the Starlink. So here's all of my solar equipment. Got it. Right here's a disconnect for the solar itself, so it'll come in there and I have the ability to disconnect it if I need to. This is my 60 amp charge controller. This is a cloud box that allows me to monitor the charge controller remotely. Got a total of 8 50 amp hour 12 volt batteries. Eventually I'm going to add some 48 volt server rack here, but this is a 48 volt system. And this is a 5,000 watt inverter with 15,000 watts inrush, and it also serves as a charger as well. So all this is getting the job pretty done. In addition to all that, I have my EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 here, and right now the way I have it set up, it's being charged by the solar panels, and then through this 240 volt cord it comes in and provides electricity and battery charging and everything else. While I have the trenching machine here, I went ahead and run some drip irrigation hose. I've got a nice long run going from the well. All the way out to a few trees I have out here. I've got 2 oak trees, I've got a lime tree, and a little banana tree sitting out there that they're doing pretty good, but a little water will help them. And so I'll be able to set this up on a timer and control it remotely as well too. And I'll show you how that works. Once I get it up and working, I'll show you.
Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get notifications of all the new videos.